Alright, I'm going to do a power test 1.0 with the Arrowhead Extreme Tips. That's coming in for you. Got the flower down there, 15 yards. It's the flower, 3/8 board, and the jug's behind it. See how it does in this one, and then we'll put it up on the, later on do the power test 2.0 with it. But here we go. And see how it shoots through and see how the Boardhead itself holds up. And there we go. Alright, got the Extreme Arrowhead going through, getting stuck. Let's see what we got. Finally went into the second one. It actually stuck not quite all the way through. Stopped. It's on the board. Actually hit it sideways. Well, yeah. See the cuts going in. Went in sideways. And there we go. Not too bad. Here's going in. There's coming out. Kind of little slits here and there. But so went through the flower, went through the board, through the first jug, about halfway through the second. Look like we have little damage. What's over to it? So there you go. Not too shabby.